welcome back to another little video. Okay, so today we are going to be making a little kaleidoscope. If you don't know what that is, it's like this little tube that you look through. It has some little mirror deflectors and it harnesses the powers of the beads, which provide all the color, and then the light comes in and it's a whole amazing sight. Okay, so that's about it. That's about what it is. You'll see some more images on that later, but these are the things that we need. Okay, so I cut out some strips, 3 centimeters by 17 centimeters strips 4 times. I made it into this little box and I covered it with some nice tape to make it look nice. Then, speaking of tape, we're going to be needing tape and scissors. And also beads to make all the color happen. And here are all the little tiny parts. So 3 centimeter by 3 centimeter square with a little hole that I drilled into. Again, 2 little 3 centimeter by 3 centimeter plastic sheets. As you may guess, 3 centimeter by 3 centimeter little piece of cardboard that I covered in tape, and there are some triangles in it, which I will tell you about later. Again, 3 centimeter by 3 centimeter square. It's a bit blurred out, but it's still plastic. And I added some flaps on the side so it can stick better to the box. But of course, you don't have to do the flaps, and you can just easily use your hot glue gun or tape. Okay, so back to these triangles. We are going to be needing this mirror right here. In the middle, it's 1 centimeter by 14. On the sides, 2 centimeter by 14. Add it with some tape. We'll be closing that again soon. Then with these, you have to make sure that your triangle on your little cardboard fits the mirror like that. Make sure it's a bit snug so it doesn't slide off too easily, but just make sure that both of these fits on either side. Okay, so those are all the things. Now we're gonna start off by closing this with some of our little tape here. Let's grab some of that and let's cut it. Okay, so now that this is closed, there we go. We're gonna grab our little pieces of cardboard here, put it on the sides. There we go, there's 1, and here is 2. Now, you guys really don't have to close it off in the middle there, but I am just to make sure, because these little pieces of cardboard are going to hold it together anyway. Okay, so again, we're going to take our tube and we're going to stick this in. Want to make sure that it's a bit snug. Now, because the mirror is 14 centimeters and the tube is 17, there is going to be a bit of a little like extra space there. So first of all, on one of the ends, we're gonna bring our little piece of wood and just push it in there. Then bring one of our pieces of plastic and also put that in so then none of the beads escape. Then of course, you can grab a bit of your tape. Here we go. Tiny pieces, and just secure it to make it look a bit better. Okay, here we go. That is all secure. Now just make sure that the little circle is visible, because that's where we're going to be putting our eye. Then we are going to take this, again, so the beads don't escape from this little tray. We are going to put in our other piece of plastic in the middle there. Then put our little tiny cover, just slide in there. Of course, you guys can also put no flaps, just glue it on there. But I just put the flaps so they could just stick a tad bit better. Now, of course, do the same thing as the other side and just slightly put some tape on the ends. there we go. I'm just doing it on the 2 sides. Now that you know that that is secure and it fits, that's a perfect test. I'm going to take one of the ends off again. Oops, bring this up. And now you can fill your little tray with any kind of things you want. Now I'm using these little beads, but of course you can use like bigger beads. You can even use like basically whatever you want. Go carefully. We are going to carefully put them in and just dump it back in on the side. Now again, the reason why we put in the little sheet of plastic before is so all the beads don't escape and go through the little tube. Now that you know that it fits, put your other piece of tape on, just like that. There we go. Okay. Then you are pretty much done. So we've used all of our items. You can hear it shaking there. Now we're just gonna put our eye right here and we're gonna turn it around and amazingness is going to happen. Here we go. So much for watching. That was so much fun for me to make and take all of those little camera shots. I really hope you enjoyed this, and I hope you guys, well, do it yourself too, because anyway, I really hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you on the next one. If you guys like more of these crafts, then like the video, please. Just like the video. Bye-bye.